In the early 20th century, the world was introduced to a creature that seemed to step straight out of legend, the Komodo dragon. This massive reptile, native to a few remote Indonesian islands, fascinated and terrified the European explorers who first documented its existence. The discovery of the Komodo dragon by Europeans is a story of adventure, scientific curiosity, and the unveiling of one of nature's most formidable predators.
The Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis, is the largest living species of lizard, growing up to 10 feet in length and weighing over 150 pounds. These apex predators are native to the Indonesian islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Matang. Despite their impressive size and fearsome reputation among locals, the Komodo dragon remained unknown to the Western world until the early 20th century. For centuries, Indonesian folklore spoke of giant, fearsome reptiles inhabiting the islands. These stories were often dismissed by Europeans as mere myths or exaggerations. However, in the early 1900s, a series of events would bring the Komodo dragon to the attention of the global scientific community.
The first documented encounter by Europeans occurred in 1910 when Dutch colonial officials in Indonesia began hearing consistent reports from local fishermen and villagers about large, dragon-like creatures on Komodo Island. Lieutenant van Stein van Hensbroek of the Dutch colonial administration decided to investigate these claims personally. In 1912, Van Hensbroek visited Komodo Island and encountered the giant lizards firsthand. He managed to kill a specimen and sent its skin and a photograph to the Zoological Museum and Botanical Garden at Bogor, Java. This initial discovery piqued the interest of scientists and adventurers alike, eager to learn more about these mysterious creatures.
The most significant breakthrough came in 1926 when American explorer and naturalist William Douglas Burden undertook an expedition to Komodo Island. Sponsored by the American Museum of Natural History in New York, Burden aimed to capture live specimens and study them in detail. His expedition marked the first comprehensive scientific effort to document and understand the Komodo dragon. Upon arriving at Komodo Island, Burden and his team were astonished by the size and power of the dragons. They observed the reptiles' hunting behavior, noting their formidable teeth, strong jaws, and potent venom. The expedition managed to capture 2 live Komodo dragons and bring them back to the United States. These specimens were displayed at the Bronx Zoo, drawing immense public interest and media coverage. Burden's expedition also brought back extensive notes, photographs, and film footage, which provided valuable scientific data. The findings confirmed that the Komodo dragon was indeed a unique and previously undocumented species of monitor lizard. The discovery challenged existing perceptions about reptiles and sparked a wave of interest in herpetology and evolutionary biology.
The discovery of the Komodo dragon had a significant impact on both scientific research and public imagination. The Komodo dragons at the Bronx Zoo became a major attraction, inspiring awe and curiosity. The species was featured in numerous articles, books, and documentaries, cementing its status as one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. Scientifically, the discovery led to a deeper understanding of the biodiversity and ecological complexity of the Indonesian archipelago. Researchers began to study the Komodo dragon's physiology, behavior, and habitat, revealing insights into its evolutionary history and its role as an apex predator. Conservation efforts were initiated to protect the Komodo dragon and its habitat, recognizing the species' importance and vulnerability. The Komodo dragon also influenced popular culture, inspiring stories, films, and myths about dragons and giant reptiles. Its portrayal in media often emphasized its fearsome nature and exotic origins, contributing to its mystique and allure.
The discovery of the Komodo dragon by Europeans is a captivating tale of exploration, science, and the bridging of myth and reality. From the initial reports and daring expeditions to the scientific revelations and public fascination, the Komodo dragon's journey into the global spotlight highlights the enduring human quest for knowledge and adventure. As we continue to study and protect these remarkable creatures, we are reminded of the vast and wondrous diversity of life on our planet and the importance of preserving it for future generations.